Oh, just put my head again. Oh no, don't run. Oh fuck. Bad things are happening, bad things are happening. Don't run. Okay. I gotta. She's running. Alright, hello. So I didn't film an intro, so I'm sorry. But today I'm gonna be doing two Valentine's Day looks. One hard cut crease and the other is a halo eye, which is the second halo eye I've ever done in my life. So I'm surprised it turned out so well. Right now I'm drawing like the heart, but this part is really not even necessary because I end up not even following like that specific heart. You know what I mean? Like I made it much bigger than that, so this part is kind of unnecessary. The rest of it is like applying the pink all over your eye, but like the little heart shape that I made, you can start like that, but like you don't have to. And now I'm just like blending it out with like transition colors. Let's fucking cut the damn crease. Let's do the heart. Let's do the motherfucking heart. But yeah, this is the first time I've done a hard cut crease, so I didn't really know how to do it. Oh my god, the bottom of my eye was so hard. Like, the bags were just getting in the way. Trying to get some sleep so that it was easier. Because, like, damn. Big ass eye bags were in the way. But anyways, I'm just using concealer to cut the shape of a heart. That sounded really, like, gross. But, like, to do the shape of a heart. Because it's a hard cut crease. You know what I mean. But yeah, these two looks are pretty extra, and I don't really expect anybody to wear them for Valentine's Day. But you know, if you feeling extra on Valentine's Day, be my guest. So the two palettes that I'm mainly using is the Zulu palette and the voss palette. I just used the voss palette, the color Wine and Dine, to darken up the heart a little bit on the outer edge, and the lighter pink is the pink from the Zulu palette. Most of the time when I'm blending throughout this video, like throughout the hearts, it's pretty much just like I have the Zulu palette pink on my brush and I'm just trying to blend everything out. Honestly, my blend job on this was not very good. If I did it again, I feel like it would be better, but like, you know, first attempt, she tried. The blend right here is like okay, but then it gets worse throughout. But it's okay, you know. One thing I didn't like about this is that when I opened my eye, the heart looks so off-centered, but when I closed it, it looked right. So if my eye was closed, it looked like a heart, but like when my eyes open, it just looks misshapen, like it looks wrong. But like when I close my eye, it looked good. I swear, when I close my eye, it looked good. So I'm just using that Violet Voss pink again, I believe, the Wine and Dine, to darken it up some more. Oh no, I'm not. I'm actually using a color from the Jacyln Hill palette. I believe it's the second to last darkest color, and it's like it's a dark brown, but it's like purpley. It has like purple undertones. So that's why I used it. Valentine's AF. And I'm just blending it out. I suggest like when you put the color there, drag it out a bit like I did at first so that it's easier to blend, but you know, whatever. See, like I'm blending it out with the Zulu palette pink right now, but yeah, like the blend is so like muddy. I wish it turned out better, but like that's not what this is about. I'm just showing you how to do that hard cut crease. You know what I mean? Okay, so now I'm cleaning it up with some concealer. I used a beauty blender so that the edges were not like harsh. But yeah, I just felt like it was too big. Like it was getting too wide and too messy. And then there's like a small like little dent at the end of my eye. So it was just kind of fucking it up, and I was just frustrated. I just gave up on trying to blend that area, if you can see what I see. But yeah. I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and I just apply that all over where the heart is. And now I'm using the light pink glitter. I forgot what it was called. Light pink glitter in the color Blushes Pink, and it's from Superglitters. Yeah, it's all of 25, you know what I mean? I'm not mad at it. Water it. These are the best things ever. They're eyeliners that don't dry out, because when they dry out, you just add water, because it's supposed to dry out. Okay, and I'm outlining the heart with the Suva Beauty Rose Gold Hydra Liner. I only use rose gold because it's the only color I had. I wish I had a white one, but the NYX was too cracky and I didn't want to use it for this look. More blending. I really didn't expect it to be as difficult as it was, but I think it turned out nice. Looks like a heart. You know what it is. The next look of the day. And that's pretty much it for the first look. On to the second one. So for this one, I'm doing a halo eye. Like I said, I'm just applying the transition color right now. I was being really messy because I had to go to work after and I was rushing, so excuse that. But I'm putting the pink from the Zulu palette in the inner and outer corners and kind of like trying to blend them together. Yeah, you know, I'm trying. But now I take the purple from the Zulu palette also, which is such a pretty purple. Like, I never do purple on my eyes ever, but this is such a pretty color. Like, look at it, look at it. It looks like the purple from Sully, like on Monsters Inc. But yeah, just put it in the inner and outer corners. You know how the halo eye go. I blended it out a bit, as you can tell. Now I'm cutting my crease. Honestly, I've only done this one time before this, so I didn't know if I should cut it first or cut it after, but I think the way I did it worked fine. However you do it is fine. I'm just applying more purple, dragging it down, just so it's a little easier to blend. And I actually cut my crease about 3 times because the pink that I'm applying right now kept getting really faded and I didn't like it, so I kept cutting it and added more pink. But yeah, I think that's me cutting it again. Cut number 2. And then I added more purple, so like whenever I would add more purple, the pink would disappear, and like I was struggling, but like it came out nice. So now I'm adding that dark color from the Jaclyn Hill palette again that I used in the first one. The colors like palette for both of these is pretty much the exact same. But yeah, I'm just putting on the very inner corner and the very outer corner so that you know. Got that little pop of darkness. Now I'm just blending it out. You don't want to go too far with this because it will take over the whole look if you do. And just become really dark. And I wanted the main component of it to be the purple. So I added more. And now I'm cutting my crease for the 3rd time. And this is the last time. Thank God. It worked out after this. So I guess like me blending the pink, I decided to blend the pink a lot less and just more like pat it more so, you know what I mean? I blended it a little bit, but I just decided to just pat it a lot more because like the concealer would disappear when I started blending the pink, and then when it was just too much. And then when I added more concealer, the pink would disappear. So can't really see, but I just added like a gold pink shimmer, like dual chrome from the Zulu palette. It's the pink dual chrome. And I just put it in the middle there, and that's why it's glowing now. And now I'm just repeating the steps from the top on the bottom. This look would have been much better with lashes, but once again, I don't know how to apply lashes. So just went in with, you know, mascara. But yeah, I'm literally just doing the same thing that I did on the top on the bottom. Yeah, and there's that mascara.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers.
I poked the crap out of my eye. So I cut out a piece of paper in the shape of a heart, wet it, stuck on my face, put some primer over top of it, and I'm just gonna pat glitter all around it. Holographic. Alright, let's hope this works because I never tried this. And then should be a heart-shaped glitter. Yay! There. But yeah, I should probably move this stuff around it. But yeah, these are my 2 Valentine's looks. I hope you like them. That's it for this video. Honestly, that's it. I hope you're having a great day, and if not, it gets better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, I guess.